guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. I swear y'all, I'm dressed like I'm just in a tube going on right there, so I am dressed, y'all. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so if you are not new in this channel, you would know that in this channel we prime. So if you are new, let it be known that in this channel we prime our eyes before we go in with any eyeshadow. And the primer that I'm going to use, as always guys, I use a concealer, and this concealer is Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it is in color number 30, and it's been through a lot. I've been saying that for the past 6 years. But anyway, sis has to make sure that everything is out. I am yet, you guys, to do an updated not really an updated, another way in which I used to draw my eyebrows without the soap. So you guys, the other side that you see on this brush actually doesn't belong here. I just glued the end part of the other brush on this brush. That is because it makes things easier for me. And anyways, it went off. Like it just, this brush is, the handles are not too strong, so I had to like find a way to glue, and I decided to glue it on this brush so that I don't have a lot of brushes like going around, so that it can be easier for me to find brushes. So that's another technique that you probably want to adopt. We are going to be using this palette by Hermes Floor. So we're gonna go in with this color called True Love right here, using this sided brush. You want to make sure, you guys, your brush is a blending brush. I always love to make sure that my brushes are free to move. And if you don't know, when you are trying to put a transition color, you want to make sure you have less pressure on it. So you want to hold your brush towards the end, and this one, guys, has like a lot of things going on the handle. So I'm just placing that color right there, and I'm just slowly bringing it in. Just like that. So the next color that I'm going in with right now is this color called Innocence, and I'm just gonna try to make sure that it is from the center. So I'm just gonna start concentrating this color on the center of my eye. So I'm just gonna slowly create a crease in a way. So now I want to go into a very smaller blending brush, because I don't want a harsh cut crease in a way. So I just want to have this yellow like all over the place. So I'm just gonna blend the two colors together, as in like trying to make sure that it's blended with the transition color we put before. And I'm just gonna slowly blend it up and make sure that we have a smooth transition going on. As you can see, so as you can see, you guys, we are having a really nice transition going on. I'm not sure if you guys can see what this brush is doing, and if you have noticed, you guys, I am letting the brush slide on its own. So you just want to make sure that your brush is freely moving. Like, guys, you are literally letting the brush do its own job. I'm just gonna go in with the same concealer that we used on our eye, and I'm just gonna use it to sort of clean the outer part of the eye. You're sort of creating a wing liner, and this also snatches your eye. You just like have those stretched Chinese eyes. Alright, I'm done with the other eye, y'all. So the next thing that we're going to do right now is to go in with this Voluminous Express mascara by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna coat my lashes with it, you know, just to prepare for my eyelashes. You want to always make sure you do a mascara before your lashes, okay? Alright, you guys, I'm done with my lashes, and now we move to the next step. We'll come back to the eyes when I'm done with my face to finish up everything. Yeah, my lashes are like, no sis. So right now I'm going in with my MOD setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray my face. I'm just gonna spray my face as a primer because I am avoiding rubbing my face a lot because I'm going in with makeup and my face is going through it all. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and the one that I'm using is in color Shows Not, and I'm just gonna concentrate it on my scars so that I can have a little bit of more coverage on the spots. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just also gonna cover my beard a little bit because sis forgot to shave. So right now I'm just gonna go in with my old sponge, and it's tinted, y'all, and I'm just gonna dab in the foundation that I have on my face. I am taking a huge risk by actually just doing this video right now because problematic skin on board. I'm just gonna go in again to the same concealer by Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just gonna start off with my forehead before I finish it up. Then draw your nose a little bit because you want your nose to be snatched. I gotta say, guys, makeup is addictive, and I mean, it's really addictive. Sometimes as you go, you actually just graduate and stuff, so you tend to start less and go all in as you go, unless if you are a pro, you just started all in. So right now I'm just gonna quickly set my face, and I mixed the banana powder by LA Girl, and I mixed the color by Black Radiance as well. So I'm just gonna set my face. I like to start light because this powder is too fine. If you are not careful about your placement of your powder, when you dust it out, that's how it's going to look. So the way you put your powder is the way it's going to come out when you take it out. I'm just going to slowly build the powder. Oh my god, it's getting to it. I'm just going to slowly build the powder. Ooh, I'm slowly building the powder into my skin in a way. I don't mind putting this powder into my eyebrows. It's more like also setting my brows in a way. So hey, we love things, eh? So now is that fun part to actually contour, and what I'm going to use is this Black Radiance, guys. If you've been Black Radiance light to medium contour palette, this is my absolute favorite. I don't know what I would do if they discontinue this thing, if they haven't already in South Africa. I don't know if they stop selling this product, I'm dead. So I'm just gonna go in with this brush. It is more like a rounded small brush. It's by Essence. I'm going in with both colors, the scalp and contour color. As you guys can see, can you see like color coming back to my face? And it's more like in a chocolatey caramel way, you know. So I'm just placing it just, you know, from where my ear starts, you see, and I'm just bringing it down to somewhere here, but I'm stopping like up there. So I don't want to be like going too down and, you know, kind of looking crazy. So when I'm blending, you know, it will bring itself down, you know, in a way, you know. So now I'm going in with a smaller blending brush, and I'm start contouring my nose. And the best way to contour a nose, well, my nose, is I always start from my brows, as if like, you know, you're creating that shade, as if your nose is starting from your brows in a way. I'm not sure if you guys can see. And what I'm going to do is to just tap in the powder that I have on my face, sort of removing it as well. Like I'm not sweeping it away entirely, like I'm sort of removing while packing it into my skin. Blusher that I like to go in with is this blusher by Black Radiance. This one is, it's called Toasted Almond. This is not too pigmented, so you can go all in. So I'm just gonna use that blusher. Like it's a very soft blush. How about we go in with Dawn from Hermosa Floor Cosmetics? I want to actually go in with this color called Dawn as my highlighter. Yeah, it will give me that intense highlight. I've been liking to highlight lately. Slightly highlight my brow bone as well. Do the inner corner highlight, you know, just to look alive a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I'm just gonna use the same color for my mouth on my that's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. We're gonna diffuse it. Highlight my cheeks. We're going back to the palette, and I'm going into this Innocence color, and I'm just gonna use this color for my under eye. Oh my god, this is so difficult because this thing is falling on me. I don't want that. To my crusty lips, I'm just gonna go in with this lipstick. This lipstick is by Design. I don't know what color is this, but it's got like an orangey color, and I'm just gonna like lightly put it because I do not want a very bright look on my lips. So I'm gonna like I'm gonna like coat my under lashes. The last thing that we're going to do is to go in with my MOD setting spray, and I'm just gonna set my face, put the highlighter on my body, you know, just to glow a little bit. Okay, I'm not doing that the right way. So this is it from this video, guys. This is how the look is looking. This is how we are looking, you guys, and everything is on point. It's snatched. If you haven't subscribed already, you are missing out. Please do click on the subscribe button. Also click on the like button if you like this video. Please click on the notification button so that you can be notified every time I upload. That is it from me, Mama Kaela, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.